Hello and welcome back, Money Makers. This is your boy Duran, and as always, we stay making you make money. This website is called ForceFoe. You're going to get paid to create content. You're going to make real content about ForceFoe, and earn $20 to $30 per approved piece. Two easy ways to take part, and your best work can become one of our best ads. So you're gonna get started for free. Everything is free. What you do is you're gonna make a short, authentic video about ForceFoe and send it to us. If they approve it, you're gonna get paid and maybe be featured in one of their ads. So it's really important that you do your due service and read all the descriptions of what they want you to do and everything like that. And then you're gonna post ForceFoe on your own channels, whether it be YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, whatever channels you have, and then you're going to tag them on it, and then you're going to create a forceful account on camera. You're going to keep the account active, and you're going to get paid after a short review. So what they're doing is they want you to create an account on Forceful, like pretending like you're an actual customer or you are an active customer because you are creating an account, and you're going to create videos on that account. So that's going to drive more people to them, basically. So you're kind of promoting them in a way. So authentic and accurate content about Forceful is $20. If you do the next quality level, it'll be $50, which is high quality with a strong hook and you really capture people's attention. And then $100 if you do it exceptionally well with a high quality that already gets pulled real views and reach. So you have a highly exceptional, high following, is most likely going to drive more traffic to them. So how you can apply? You're going to put in your first name, your last name, your email. You're going to submit a video to them. Obviously, whatever type of video that they will want you to submit to them. You know, um, you're going to post your social media handles, and then you're going to link your video to that. And then, if anything else, do not leave anything else blank. And the reason why I say do not leave anything else blank is because you want to make sure that you give them as much information as possible about them so you are guaranteed. Nothing's guaranteed in life, but hopefully you're guaranteed for a spot to be on their content creator spots. So please do not leave that blank. Tell them as much information as you want about that. You need to be 18 years of older, or you could be 16 or 17, but no younger than 16. And then you're going to click this little button that you have read, and then you're going to apply for the creator program. So what's going to happen is once it's going to send you an email that has got confirmation. They're going to take probably about 2 to 3, 5 business days or normal, a week, give them a week or two to review your application. If you approve, you can start making money from this website. I think it's just really easy to, kind of navigate here. You know, they have some other, why get some information about this. Contents were never built for video. So, um, how contests work right now? A brand posts submit a video about our product and tag us to win $500. So these are contests that they also have in addition to creating the ads for them. A creator posts the comment, your best clip for a chance to get featured. Sound familiar? These are the things that they don't want you to do. So you can read through that yourself. Um, Make sure your profile is up to date. Make sure that everything is good. Make sure that you are able to articulate yourself well. We have a good presence, have good lighting, all of that, because it's going to be really accounted for in this ad. So you can make up to $100 with them per ad. So let me know if you like this or not. But other than that, you guys have a great and wonderful day.